Good evening, children. Once again, welcome back to CSRCD Achievers 120. Okay, fine. Yesterday we completed the introduction of sets and types of sets, Venn diagrams. Completed, and also I given a little bit of two, three problems I given. 30% people only done. I don't know what happened. The remaining people I don't know. But we'll see today. Everyone mustn't should participate in doing all these solutions first of all. Otherwise, there is no usage of this one. So every student try to participate doing your works very fulfillingly complete your works. And today we'll see the problems from union, intersection, and difference. In there we will see the roster form and set builder form. Roster form, set. In the problem itself, you will get that roster form and set builder form. You'll see that one. I hope that you people know union. What is union? What is intersection? And a difference. Again, once again, I will recall the what is union. Union in the sense, all the elements you will write in a one set called union. More than one. A union, we suppose, let us take. Whatever the elements are there in set A and whatever the set whatever the elements are there in set B, you have to be combined that. You have to write in, if you write in order, that is good. You can write even in the disorder also. There is no issues, but if you write in order, it's good for you. Okay, children. Now let us go with one problem with union, intersection, and also negative. And intersection, what is intersection? Intersection in the sense common elements. Which are common elements in both, suppose more than two. In all the three sets, it must be the same elements, common elements. That one you have to maintain in one set called intersection. And finally, difference. Difference in the sense, which are left from the top, which are left from the first set, that elements you have to write in a set called difference of a set. And it includes, the question includes here roster form, set builder form. Now I will go with directly roster form I will write. Roster form in the sense, now let us see. If A is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. And this is called a roster form. That's it. 2, 3, 5, 7, or any elements or objects if you will write directly called roster form. Now I will write the set builder form. Let us see here. Column B is equal to X such that X such a colon symbol called such that X such that X is a natural less than 7. Less than 7. B is equal to X such that X is a natural or natural number less than 7. This is called set builder form. This is called set builder form. Let us go with one more set builder form. C is equal to X such that X is a even number less than 10. Less than 10. This is called set builder form. This model is called set builder form. If you want to do any problem, first of all, you have to convert into roster form, which you have already A is equal to like this form. If you know A is equal to some elements, B is equal to some elements, C is equal to some elements, then only we can do something to do. So here already A, B, C. B, C I given in set builder form. So we'll find one of the, we'll write one of the question. Then find here. Then find A union of B intersection C. Let us take this first one. Second one, yeah, A minus B union C. A minus B union C. We will see these two questions. We will see these two questions with the help of ABC sets. Okay, children? Now, we'll start the solution. First, write down what are the sets of ABC. Some people will do blunder mistakes in these problems. Directly, they will write a question that is A minus B union C. The total A union B intersection C. In a one step, they will do all the solution. It's wrong. How I will maintain the statements, the same way try to attempt so that you can secure maximum mark in the examination. Try to maintain the steps properly. Your presentation should be proper. The presentation is most important. If you want to secure 100 out of 100, not a 10 on 10. 10 on 10, it is very easy now, 99, 91, 92 marks if you get. No, that is not our target. Our target is 100%. 100 on 100 you have to get. For that, it's the most important, the main tip is presentation. If you give the presentation awesome, you will get ultimately that 100% the result. Okay, children, maintain the presentation also properly. Now, how you have to present? See here. Yes, we go with the first one. Given what he given, A is equal to given 2, 3, 5, 7. Already this is in the roster form. Whatever the elements, whatever the sets he will give, first we have to write in roster form. The which you have here B and C is not in a roster form. First convert into roster form so that okay, here we'll see B is equal to X such that X is nothing but this is called an element is called X. How it will be the X? Here it's saying X is a natural number. X, how it will be the X value? X will be the natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so many, unlimited. And also see here one condition given. Natural less than 7. You should have to take less than 7 itself, which you have B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. Up to 6 only you have to take. Less than 7. If it is less than equal to 7, yes, you have to maintain 7. He's saying up to only less than 7. 6 you have to take. Up to 6 you have to take. And one more. C is equal, and this is called roster form. This is called roster form. Okay, children? Yes, next C. X such that X is an even number less than 10. X is an even number, you know, which is divisible by 2 and remains 0. Which is divisible by 2, the remainder is 0, called even number. What are that? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, so on. Unlimited of numbers. You have to write, but condition given. What is the condition? Less than 10 means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You won't get 10 because less than 10. Less than 10. Less than 10 is 9, up to 9. But 9 is not a even number. 8 is an even number. So up to 8 you have to maintain. So this is called roster form from set builder form of BC. Converting into roster form to set builder form. So same like that, roster form to set builder form, sorry, set builder form to roster form. Now, roster form to set builder form, this one he will give. Let us go with C is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Convert this one into set builder form. If anyone will ask, you have to write what? C is equal to X such that X is a even you can write even like this, even natural number also you can write. Even natural number less than 9 also you can write here. Here you can write less than 9 you can write. Less than 10 you can write. Less than or equal to 8 also you can write. X such that X is a even number less than 9 or less than 10 or less than equal to 8. You can write what. This is converting into roster form to set builder form. And this will you will get in the final examination for 1 mark or 2 mark question. Remember, it's the most important, that is. It's clear? This is everything developed by Mr. George Cantor, who introduced here the sets. Everyone is developed, Mr. He is a very good mathematician. In sets, main. Mr. George Cantor. He was an 19th century candidate. 1845. He was born. And he is no more. 1918. 1918. In Germany. He is no more. He passed away in Germany 1918. Near about 73 years. 73 years his lifespan was maximum spent in the sets chapter. Everything is developed and enlarged in this one. Okay, fine. Now we will do, what is the question? A union of B intersection C. The question is A union of B intersection C. But here, indirectly, you should not take 3 sets. You have to maintain, first of all, within the brackets. Yesterday we completed the Venn diagram. How we done? First we completed within the braces, then after we came to the third set. Here also same like that. Even you have to maintain like that itself. First of all, find here, what is the braces? In the first question, B intersection C. First we have to complete B intersection C part. Which is, what is B? Take this one. You should not write. Some people will write here B. It's wrong. See that B intersection C is equal to B. Set, na? B is the set. What is the set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is B. Intersection inter C. What is C? Here it is C. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. What you have to do? The combination with the conjunction. Conjunction with the sense of intersection. Combination and both. In this set, it must be the element. What you have here? C. 1. Is there 1 here? No. Should not write that one. Which you have common, that elements you have to write. What you have here? 2. Yes, here it is there 2. So you have to write 2. Simple. Very simple. And 3. There is a 3? No. There is a no. So what is here? 4. Here it is there 4. So write down 4. Intersection in the both elements, in the both sets, the element is required. 5. It's not there. 6. Yes, is there 6. So write down 6. Next, there is no element. But here it is there 8. But in this set, it's not there. You should not write. That's it. That's it. This is therefore, even you can write therefore B intersection C. You got it. 2, 4, 6. Now we have to find this one. What is that? A union of B intersection C. A union of B intersection. What is A? What is A comes to this? That is 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. What is here? The combination. What is here? Union. So write down union. Next, the result of B intersection C. The result of B intersection C you have to write. Not these two again. You should not write again B value intersection C. No, already you done. What is that? B intersection C is 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. What you have to do here? The connection is union. Here the connection is union. Union in the sense all the whatever the elements are there in both the sets. Whatever the elements are there in both the sets. You have to write that out element. So what is here? 2. Okay. Here it is there, 2, here it is there. You have to write only once. You should not write multiple times. One time you have to write. The single time you have to write. It's enough. 2. Next 3. Here it is not there, but still you have to write because all the elements you have to maintain. 4. Here it is there 4. Write down 4. 5 here it is. 6 here it is. 7 is here and no more. From these two sets itself, whatever the elements are there, every element you have to write in a one set called union. Therefore, A union B intersection C is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and this is the final result of A union of B intersection C. Okay, children, I think so you understand very clearly. Once again, intersection in the sense common elements which you have in the both the sets. Union, which you have all the elements you have to write in one set. And the question is A union B intersection C. First of all, you have to complete the B intersection C. Directly you should not write A set, B set and also C set. It is a blunder, maximum people will do that one. First you have to complete within the braces. What is that? That is B intersection C first, and this is B intersection C. The result you got it, which you have common. 2 is common, 4 is common, 6 is there, 8, but here it's not there, 1, here it is not there, 3, here it is not there, so you won't get such type of elements. You got it, this result. Now comes to here the question, that is A union of B intersection C. What is the set of A? Write down here. Union. What is the set of B intersection C? Already you got it. Got it, 2, 4, 6. Union in the sense all the elements togetherly, if you will write called union. So write down in orderly. In orderly, if you write, that is better. You can write even disorder also. 2, 3, 5, 7, 4, 6 also you can write, no issues. But if you write in order, that is a good for you, and easily you can recognize very clear. So that's what I written. And finally, therefore, A union B intersection C is equal to, and this is the result of. I hope you understand very well, children. Now we'll go with the second one. A minus of B union C. A minus of B union C with the same ABC sets. With the same ABC sets. Yes. Second one. What is second? A minus B union C. First of all, you have to complete this part. B union C, you have to complete first of all. What is B? Here right. You got it already. A, B, C sets, you know. Okay, right. B union C. What is B, Nana? What is B? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Union C. What is C here? 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. And you should not write here equal to symbol. You should not write, because already once you got in the equal to symbol, in the same step you should not maintain equal to. Remember, that is one of the most important tip in giving your presentation. Should not come 2 times equal to symbol in one line. It's clear. Should not write like that. Yes. What is the connection you have here? Union. Union in the sense, all the elements, whatever you have the elements from these two steps, these two sets, write down that in order. Yes, one, 2, 3, 4, however up to 6 we have to write. 6 after what you have left here? 8. There is no 7. Only 8 is left. I write. 1, 2, 3 for union. Now all elements you have tried in orderly is only there up to 6. Then after 8 is left, I written 8. Now comes to here. What is this? A minus B unions. Yes, what is A? Write down the set A, which you have 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7 minus B union C. Result you got it. B union C result already you got it. What is the result? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. There is no 7 children. Carefully write down the elements very carefully. That one only gives the result here, whatever, whether it is a union, intersection or difference. Already you can done here. Union is completed. Previously we completed intersection. Now which is going on? Difference. Yes. What is difference? Difference. Already I said as even yesterday. Which the elements left from the first set. This is called first set. This is second set. Whatever the elements left means 1. See, 2 is there. Here it is there 2. Yes. So you should not write that. Here it is 3. Is there here 3? Yes. Here it is there. Even you should not write that. And don't cancel like this. Some people will do minus, so plus 1, plus 2, minus 2 will get cancelled. Don't do like that. This is not algebra to do like that. It's not a correct way to do like that. Just it will delete. It will omit. That's it. Don't strike it. And yes, 2. There is a here it is a 2. Should not write 3. Here also it is there 3. Should not write 5. Is there 5? Should not write 7. 7 it's not there. You will get 7. And even 8 is there, but here it's not there. You should not write what I said the command, what I said the main law, which are left from the first set, not from the second or something. Which are the elements left after deleting, after subtracting, whatever, you should have to maintain the remaining elements. The remaining elements only 7. Here it is there 1. Here it is not there. You won't get here 1 because you are subtracting from top. Not, it's not a subtraction method. If it is C 73 minus 69, you will subtract here. It becomes here 3. Then no, this is not a subtraction method like this. Okay, children, this is not subtraction. That is algebra. This is sets. In algebra, you will get cancelled. Plus 2 minus 2 plus 3 minus 3. No. Remember that. So only 7 you will get. Therefore, A minus of B union C equal to only 7 will be left. Only 7 will be left. So this is the way you have to maintain. One more question also we will see, children. That is, okay, union, intersection, subtraction. Subtraction, difference is nothing but which are left. Which are left here. A minus final result. Therefore, A minus B union C is equal to, I written here. If it is not clear, here I mentioned the result here. A minus of B union C is equal to only 7. We will see one more question from this. I will make it to one more different questions. From that, we will find out a different one. Okay, if yes, I will write, I am writing now set builder form. I will write x such that x is a prime, less than 10. B, x such that x is a natural and 3 less than x less than 8 or 10 we will take. Your our vision, that is your creating of the questions itself. And one more we will see, that is c is equal to and c is equal to x such that x is an integer and integer will be negative to infinite to 0, 0 to infinite. No, we'll take like this, minus 3 less than equal to x less than equal to 2. All the three sets I written in set builder form model. All the three sets I given the question in set builder form. Two types of forms: set builder form, roster form. Converting into set builder form to roster form and roster form to set builder form. It will covers in 4 mark question you will get, even in a 2 marks question. Sometimes in bits also he will ask. Converting into set builder form to roster form. Okay, children? Yes, here. And now, then find. Question is, then find A minus B intersection A minus C. A minus B intersection A minus C. We will see this question. What we have to do first of all? Converting into set builder form to roster form. First of all, you have to converting into set builder form to roster form. Yes, solution given directly. If you want to make it the step again, you can write here, no issues. If you want to write this one again, you can write here A is equal to x such that x is a prime less than 10. The space is not sufficient, so directly I am writing here the solution of this one, nothing but roster form of that one. Okay, what is that? X is a prime less than 10. Prime starts from 2. Prime starts from 2. So write down that is 2 prime number. Pradhana Sankhyalu 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. You will get 9. 9 is not a prime. 9 is a composite number. The number is multiply itself and 1. Suppose the element 5 is there. Only the prime number have only 2 factors, which is 1 into 3, 3, 3 into 1, 3. There is no other factor you have. 1 and 3 only it will goes. If you will have more than 2 factors, called non-prime, that is, it is called composite. Let us take 9. 1 into 9. 9 into 1. 3 into 3 also. So these are called factors. 9, 1, 3 are the factors. More than 2 called composite number, not a prime number. Prime number will have only 2. 7. Let us take 1 into 7. 7 into 1. So it cannot see more than these 2 factors. 1 and 7. That's it. Called prime number. Okay, children? Yes. Now we'll go with the yes. A, you got it. Now comes to C. B. What is B? X such that X is a natural and natural condition given. Natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, unlimited. But here 3. It starts from 3 in between 10. you should not get to 3. X should be here more than 3. Yes. So B is equal to 4. You have to start from 4. 4, 5, 6, 7. Natural, na? Natural number nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in order you will get 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Because less than 10. Because less than 10 up to 9. And finally, next, what is next here? C. C is equal to, what is it? X such that X is an integer. X is an integer. So this is the question. Less than equal to symbol is there, symbol. Equal to symbol is there. What is that? So minus 3 also you will get. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So these are the questions. These are the elements you will get here, because equal to symbol is there. Equal to means 2 also you can write. Here equal to not there here. So up to less than 10. Here equal to not there. Here it is there equal. Suppose if you will delete this one, you won't get here. 3 you won't get. Minus 3 you won't get. So here it is there. So I written minus 3. Okay. Now we can find what is the question? A minus. This is. So for that, first we have to find A minus B. Firstly, we have to find A minus B. What is A? 2, 3, 5, 7. Minus, what is B? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. Here I am doing here equal. But this is a mistake, right? You should not make 2 times equal to symbol. But you can make it this one as implies to, you can make it. You can make it. Because the space is not sufficient. I am maintaining and even I am correcting this one. Implies to. Now you can write is equal to highest. Minus means which are left from the first set. 2. Is there 2? No. You have to write 2. 3. Is there 3? No. Write down 3. 5. Is there 5? Yes. Should not write. 7. Is there 7? Yes. You should not write. That is only to, no need to see here from the second set, from the first set itself, which are left. And same like that, A minus C. A minus C. What is A? 2, 3, 5, 7. Minus C. What is C? Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Yes, minus. Minus in the sense, write down, see, 2. Is there 2? You should not write here. 3. Is there 3? Not there. Minus 3 is there. Positive 3, it's not there. So, 3. 5, it's not there. 7, it's not there. So, you have to write. Which are left from the first set. Okay, children? Now, finally, this is the question. What is that? Sorry, A minus B intersection A minus C. What is A minus B result? Write down that A minus B is 2, 3. Intersection, this one, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, intersection A minus C is 3, 5, 7. And yes, here make it as an implies to symbol. Here make it as implies. Intersection means all the elements. Intersection means all the elements. What you have? 2. Is there 2? Not there. 3. Is there 3? Yes. Write down this one. Only one element. 5. Here it's not there. 7. Here it's not there. So the result is only 3. So write down finally if you want. Here I am writing the step. The space is not there. Finally, the answer is therefore A minus B intersection A minus C is equal to 3. 3. Only 3. Which are left? A minus B intersection A minus. So these are called difference, union, and also intersection. Okay, so come on, write down one question. So make it fast. Write down, take the one paper on pen. So write down the question. if A is equal to set builder form, I will do X such that X is a composite. Composite means just now I said more than 2 factors. Composite number less than 10. Okay, children. B is equal to X such that X is odd number less than 10, and C is equal to X such that X is a natural less than 6. Okay, less than equal to 6. Okay, the small change. Then find A minus of B union C. First one. Second one, A minus B intersection A minus C. So I want these 2 questions, Nana, as homework. It's clear? Only one question in that 2. A minus of B union C and A minus B intersection A. Third one, what you notice in గమనించావు, what you notice ఏం గమనించావు in this. Okay, children, A minus of B union C, A minus B intersection A minus. Okay, so upload the solution in my number. It's clear? And the last thing is take a break for a 10 minutes. Now the Zoom will disconnect. After 10 minutes again it will activate. So then again